Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how to make the most amazing sesame cookies. These cookies will disappear right before your eyes. They're so addictive and they're so good. Let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is ground a little bit of mahlab. And mahlab is a spice that you can buy whole or you can buy ground. Just a little bit goes a long way. You can use something heavy to pound on it, or you can use the coffee grinder. And please check the description box below for all the amounts and all the ingredients. Next, I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients. I add the mahlab, anise seeds, ground anise, baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of salt, nigella seeds, and some powdered milk. I mix all the dry ingredients very well and I set it aside. Next, I add the room temperature butter. I add the sugar. I mix very well using the whisk. And then I'm gonna add 1 egg and a little bit of vanilla extract. And I'd love to hear from you. Please leave any question or any comment in the comments box below. All that's left to do now is to add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and mix, and the dough is totally ready to work with. I mix a little bit with a spatula because I don't want the flour to go all over the place, and I mix the dough just until combined, just like so. No refrigeration required, you can work with it right away. I'm gonna roll it in some sesame seeds, some roasted sesame seeds, and bake at 350 until it becomes a little golden. And you can make them the shape and the size you want. And you want to bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they develop a little color at the bottom. The smell is amazing. These cookies are so crunchy and so tasty. They're great with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. I hope you give them a try soon, and until next time, bon appétit!